Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to add the main video. Okay. So what I'm going to do is this animation that we've done. So in the previous two videos, we've added the logo and then we animated the logo. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn these off and we're going to lock them. Okay. So we're going to call this, we'll just leave it the way it is, but you can see it's LearnTech plus logo, background blue. Okay. So what I want to do now is I want to go to the video, and we looked at the example, but I want to bring the source in. Okay. So I'm going to bring that in here. I'm going to turn my volume on so I can actually hear something, and then I'm going to bring this file up to size, because what I did is I compressed it down to a 720 by 480 or 720 by 1280 resolution on purpose so that the file would be smaller. Okay, so that's why it doesn't fit in the window. I did it on purpose, so that way when you download the file, it doesn't take 4 hours. Okay. So yes, I'm optimizing the course for you. Let me save the file, and I'll go here and let's play it. Have you always wanted to edit a video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make your ideas to life? The Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 Ultimate course is for you. Hi, I'm Josh Warner, and I'll be leading you through this course. Okay,